Hi everyone, this is question 6, heart of algebra linear function question. We are not able to use calculator for this question. Alright, so it says oil and gas production in a certain area dropped from 4 million barrels in 2000 to 1.9 million barrels in 2013. Okay, so your starting point is important in here. So it says from 4 million. So I will get in this in a few minutes, but I would like to just take notes here. This is your starting point. What the starting point is? So starting point for the linear equations, they show you y-intercept. It is very important. So starting points always they show you y-intercept. Okay, so this two also is important. So there is a two parts of this sentence. 4 million barrels in 2000. Second part is 1.9 million barrels in 2013. Assuming that the oil and gas production decrease at a constant rate. Okay, constant rate also very important. So if you have constant rate, you have a linear equation. Don't forget that. If you have constant rate, if you see in a question constant rate, it is a linear equation. So look, check the answer choices. What do you see here? F of t is equal to something t plus 4. So do you remember the form y is equal to mx plus b? It was slope intercept form. So here is m is slope, b is y-intercept. So check this out. What is the difference between this? Y is equal to mx plus b. So instead of x, you have t here. This is m. What was the m? M is your slope. B is y-intercept. It's your starting point. And f of t means actually it is y. Same thing. So simply it's asking to me, use this word problem and find the linear equation for this word problem, because it's constant rate. Basically it tell me this is your linear equation. Okay, so which of the following linear functions f best models the production in millions of barrels t years after year 2000? 2000 your starting year. As you see, 4 million starting point in 2000. So let's get started. We are supposed to find first of all the slope. It is important because if you check 4, all of the answer choices they have 4. So my starting point is 4. If it was not given, if you have more than like 4 any different number, you are supposed to look for 4 and to eliminate other answer choices. So starting point is 4, is already all of the answer choices is 4, so I am done for the y-intercept is 4. So my second step to find the slope. So remember, for the slope formula I can use the formula for this. What was the formula? It was the slope formula was y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. The question is, what is x1, what is y1? So if you have time in year, it always gonna be x coordinate. So for the first part of the sentence I was mentioning a few minutes ago, and then I skipped this very fast. Now I am going back there. So first part of the question, from 4 million barrels in 2000. So if you make it an ordered pair, so you know the ordered pair always the first part x coordinate, the second part y coordinate. So 2000, 4 million barrels. Okay, and the second part of the question, 1.9 million barrels in 2013. It is gonna be 2013, 1.9 million. I'm not gonna write the million because they will cancel out already. So just I will write 1.9. And then I can use the formula. What is the formula? y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. So which one is x1 and y1? So let's start with the first one. Let's say this is x1, this is y1, x2 and y2. And then let's start. 1.9 minus y1 is 4 all over x2 is 2013 minus 2000. So it's gonna be negative 2.1 all over 13. So I don't like to see decimal numbers in a fraction. I would like to make it a whole number or an integer. I need to multiply bottom and top by 10 times 10. It will be negative 21 over 130. What is this? This is m. This is my slope. So now I am checking which one is negative 21 over 1 over 3. I mean 130. Negative 21 over 130 is the only option. So I know the y-intercept is 4, negative 21 over 130, that one. So simply it tells me correct answer is C for this question. Thank you. Have a great day.